Welcome back. A new report says the NSA is using Anthropic's Mythos preview model despite the company's blacklist by the Department of War. Kate Rooney looking into that for today's Tech Check, Kate. So how does that work?
Hey, Sarah. So we are seeing a lot more evidence that Anthropic's AI technology is actually critical to the U.S. government, despite the Pentagon saying that the company is also a major risk. Axios now reporting that the National Security Agency, NSA, is among those using Anthropic's newest model, Mythos, citing sources. The agency and the company did decline to comment on this one. It is Anthropic's newest model that's only being released to about 40 companies and then reportedly some government agencies just for cybersecurity. The company tells me it's not going to be releasing this to the broader public yet. That is still the plan, but NSA notably part of the Department of Defense. And in March, the DoD did label Anthropic a supply chain risk. The president said they would, quote, not do business with the company. Again, it does come after CEO Dario Amodei met with Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent, Chief of Staff Susie Wiles on Friday, both sides calling that meeting productive. After that, the ongoing use of this technology in the face of this legal battle, guys, with the government is a big sigh of relief for investors that I'm talking to. Investors in Anthropic in particular, those I do speak to, had been really worried about the contagion risk, essentially, of any sort of prolonged fight, what it might mean for this really lucrative enterprise business. Company recently reported a $30 billion annual run rate in terms of revenue. The power of Anthropic's tech and the macro risk of cybersecurity out there does appear right now to be outweighing some of this political drama. Two sources also at the same time telling me Anthropic has fielded offers for equity investments that could, if they accepted those, would value the company closer to $800 billion. I am also told by sources Anthropic is not raising capital right now in private markets. This is one of the major tech companies, of course, slated to go public. Anthropic was last valued just under $400 billion after its recent fundraise. At the same time, market share overall is shifting a bit. According to new data from RIMP, Anthropic is getting an edge here. They are making progress. About 30% of all paid AI subscriptions, making a little bit of progress. OpenAI is still ahead. It's got about 35% of market share. You can see the chart there from RIMP, but definitely cutting into that and getting some more momentum, guys.
Wow. Yeah, don't turn around, OpenAI. Someone may be gaining on you. Thanks, Kate. Kate Rooney.